Okay, so we are live. Hello, everyone, all the beautiful souls out there. I'm Neeta Bangera here, the face behind this page, and I have come live on this page and I have invited a beautiful guest today here. Good morning, all, good afternoon, good evening, all the beautiful people out there, whoever are watching from wherever you are. And I have a wonderful guest today with me, that is Sheetal. She's a teacher by profession and into this business for quite some long time now. I will invite her now and then I'll ask her to, speak about this business and her journey, and please introduce yourself. Hi, Sheetal. Can you please tell us about yourself? Yeah.
Hi, Neeta. Thank you for having me on your page, and it's a pleasure to come and share my digital business journey with our audiences. And as Neeta has said, my name is Sheetal Lobo. Uh, I am I am a child of God, mother of three young boys, and I am a teacher by profession. And I've been in this profession for more than 15 years, and also a proud digital business owner now. And I call myself as a teacherpreneur, as you can see on my screen, along with my name, teacherpreneur. So I am doing this online digital business as my side hustle, along with my teaching profession. I am basically from Mumbai, India, and now living in Abu Dhabi, UAE, with my family for more than 10 years. I'm here. So this is about me.
Okay, thanks, Sheetal, for introducing yourself. So, Sheetal, I know you're a teacher, you're busy the long day, around the year. So, what made you attract to this online business and what was your strong why to come into this?
Yes. uh, Everybody has a strong why to do apart, like do something apart from their professional job or their 9 to 5 job. So my why is my family, and what attracted me was what I saw, and then it intrigued me, so I took action. I will share with you all the reason why I joined or started this online digital venture. It all happened during the pandemic. The whole world went upside down, and everybody was facing some or the other problems. So, my family faced one such situation wherein my husband had a huge pay cut, and my son was entering university. He had just completed grade 12, and we were looking for admissions for him in some European countries. And we thought we'll be able to take some loan and sponsor his study. But it didn't happen, and we were left with nothing. And it was like, uh, my husband has been working for more than almost 20 plus years. I have been working as a teacher, and living as an expat. Everybody knows that life is not easy.
Exactly.
There is quite a lot of expenses. You have to pay the rent, you have to look after your children's education, and the inflation. You go to buy grocery, it's not like
Exactly.
10 years back. It's like every time you go, you end up spending more money on grocery. So saving was like out of the box for us. So we thought that we will be able to manage with some loan from the bank for our son's university admission. But it didn't happen, and we were left like in the middle of the road with nothing. And we asked ourselves, like, are we working for someone for this reason, that we are not able to give our own child what he deserves? And and we were actually looking for something apart from our jobs that would help us financially, uh, like being with three kids, their education and things like that. And and we were actually looking and praying, God, show us something that I will be able to do apart from my job. I didn't want to quit my job. I know my job is tiresome, and it takes a lot of time of me, but I love what I'm doing. I love teaching children. Uh, but uh, so my step wasn't easy to join this business. I was scared, I was skeptical. But when I saw my mentor's ad on one of the social media news feed, when I was scrolling through my Facebook thing, and it really intrigued me, and it really caught my attention. I really wanted to see what she was saying. I listened to her, and I wanted to jump in and see what exactly she's saying. So I registered with my name and email address. I watched the 90-minute webinar, but not once, but twice I watched it, and I took the next step, and here I am, a proud digital business owner, managing my business and my job, my family, my kids. So this
Okay.
is what I wanted to
No,
share.
it's true. Like, it's very difficult to, being in a different country, not your, in your home
Yes.
country. I myself, I didn't introduce myself in the start, but I myself being a single parent and and a mom of a teenager who will be just in university in next 2 years here in USA. I'm wondering how will I do it. But then when I saw this business, it is a really high ticket commission paid business, and this works very well. It's on your own convenience. You can do it. So that attracted me also for this business because when I came here, even I was in a lot of anxiety. How will I do this with a single pay scale? Will I be able to manage my expenses, my bills, my son's education fees going forward? It's a 4 year education. I mean, it's not so
Hmm.
easy here in US. So now into this business, I'm sure I'll be having, in few years that financial freedom as well. So
Yes.
now I'm relaxed. I enjoy doing this. I do it over my weekends. It's not stressful. I do it whenever I want to. It's on my own pace. I mean, nobody's giving you any targets here, but yeah, you are making a good money out of this business. So
Yes.
that's really amazing and an awesome part of this business. Yeah, yeah. I can understand all the struggles what parents are going and
Yes.
being single-handedly doing everything. It really helped me a lot, I mean, boost my confidence also. I'm not a person who talks like this on this video. I'm an introvert person, but I've seen a difference in myself also. Like, I am now very confident talking to people over screens, and going lives with people. So this business has overall changed my personality also, if you say.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, my next question to you is that, I know you told, you came across this business venture online by seeing your mentor's page and ad. And could you please share how was your journey in this business for the past 2 to 3 years
Yes.
you're into this business?
Yes. As I told you all that I came across this business on my social media news feed, and my journey has been from, I have started my journey from below the mountain, and I'm slowly reaching up. I too was very introvert, though being a teacher, dealing with parents, talking to parents. I was not a social media person. I used to be very, very scared. I was totally introvert, and for me, coming live like this and talking was out of out like I cannot do it. No, it was not possible for me. But now, couple of years in this business, with the training, with the like-minded people in the community, learning from them, it has helped me to come out of my comfort zone, and I have actually learned that inner potential in me that I have seen, and I really I cannot believe that no, I can make videos, I can talk on a social media platform live here, sharing my digital business journey. Yes, my journey has not been easy. It is challenging, and it was challenging. I am not a tech savvy person. I did not have any business skills, but the training is simple, video based, and comprehensive. It's available once you become a business owner, it's available 24/7. You can watch and learn from the training anytime that you require. As a working professional, there are times that I am not able to sit and do the training or learn or do something about my business during the daytime. So, whenever I get time, I am doing this business and learning from the training. We have amazing masterminds that is for business owners every Wednesdays and on Tuesdays, where we get to learn all the new trends, all the changes that are happening in the digital business world. So it is at no cost that we are getting to learn all the new things, and the community is so supportive. You have your own mentor who is there
Exactly.
to guide you and walk you through this journey. You have your coaches with you, And I haven't seen a community like this who which supports people and uplifts each other and cheers each
Sure.
other's victory
Yeah, yeah.
and
True, true.
achievements.
That's true. Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't seen like this even in my professional life. And I'm really glad that the way that I've grown, and now I feel that I can help someone to achieve that success that I'm slowly walking towards it, help another family to achieve their financial freedom. So so this is what I want to share, that this journey, it's not a quick rich scheme. People believe that or feel that no online business is like, no, you just invest money or you just join in and next day you start earning money. No, it's not like that. It's not a quick rich scheme. You need to put in effort, you need to learn, you need to have a lot of patience, you need to have a lot of discipline, and lot of perseverance also.
Exactly. Yeah. That's right.
You cannot give up. I haven't given up. This is my fourth child and I am nurturing it every day. Like when you plant a seed, you will not see the fruit in 1 month.
Immediately. Yep.
Yeah, immediately, yes. You will see when the tree grows up, when you nurture it, when you provide all the nourishment to the plant, you can see the fruit growing on the tree. Yes, this business is the same way. It has helped me in my personal development. This personal development has helped me in my professional life, and I've got more bolder. And one of the greatest achievement is like we have our live webinars that happens for people when they register on their website. That 90 minutes webinar that I was talking about, I was one of the panelists to share my journey in that live webinar. So that is a big, great achievement for me, especially. And there are so many things that are awaiting for me, and I know that I'm going to reach it. You need to have a real positive mindset. I know every time it is not possible to have a positive mindset, but the the community is so positive minded that the positivity will rub on
Exactly.
to you and it will keep going on.
Keep going on
Yes,
and keep boosting you always. Yeah, yeah.
yes,
No,
yes,
really,
yes,
I also feel I'm so blessed to have such a beautiful community. They're always ready to help each other, no matter
yes,
if they're from your team or not, but anywhere in any part of the world they are there. I would also say you get wonderful coach, and I'm blessed to have a coach and mentor. She's the same person, but she's so awesome. She keeps you helping, she keeps you boosting you all the time. And that's a unique thing in this business, that the people around you are so positive and so motivating that you never, if you ever feel that you want to quit, you cannot quit this business. That's true.
yes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay, so what do you find this business unique about? Like, how does it stands out by the any traditional business out there in the market?
Yes. We always say this business model is very unique, and this business is very unique. Why? Because it's a legitimate business and it's a global business, and we are a community. We have grown. When I started this business, there were only 80,000 people. Now, in the couple of years, it's like 100, 200 something,
200K, 200K.
200K people. Yes. Like people are slowly, gradually coming to know the beauty of this online digital venture. It being legitimate, people are paying taxes, and you don't have to invest like a traditional business. You need to invest a huge sum of money, but here it is not like that. Yes, we do have investment, we do have products involved, but then we are not promoting any of those things. If you see on our pages, we are not talking about products, we are not selling anything, we are not bugging anybody. And another good thing that why I joined this business was the flexibility. I didn't have to report to anybody. I didn't have to have a fixed schedule to do my work. I can do it from anywhere at any time, wherever I am. Even if I'm on a vacation, all I need is a mobile phone or a laptop with a Wi-Fi connection, and I'm good to go. Once you are set up with your training, once you finish and your business is set up, you can take it anywhere, and you can work on your business from anywhere. I work on my business even when I'm in school, when I have a free class, I work on it through my mobile or my laptop or in the evenings. So this business model is very, it's like a blessed model, you can say. So this is unique, as I said, flexible, and you don't have to have any business experience. All you need to come with the come with that urge to learn and be coachable and have that spark in you that no, you want to do something for yourself and for your family, and you're
Exactly.
good to go in this business, and don't give up. Yes, the journey may seem tiresome
Mhm.
and long, but then this business is not only giving you financial freedom, but it is giving you a lot of personal growth. I have seen it, and I am the true witness. I am here, live here, telling how I am talking here. It's all what I've learned from this business, the
Exact.
confidence that
Same
I
here.
have
Same
from
here.
the people, from my community, that I have learned from them. And and as I told you, people are paying taxes. Yes, so wherever taxes are applicable, people are paying taxes. And recently, we are affiliated with a very good company, and we recently celebrated 50 years of this company.
Yeah.
So, and it's an amazing company which gives the best compensation plan, and the compensation plan is good, and it's amazing.
It's
So
amazing. It's
if you
amazing.
want to add something here, you can add it.
No, no, no. I totally agree with you. It is like, it's a blessing in disguise. I should say that. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's right. Yeah. So when it comes to an online world, people are skeptical. Is this a scam? Is this a fraud? So how do we explain this, Sheetal?
Yes, I totally understand. Whoever is now, everybody, you know that all of us are online. You see lots of ads, lots of scams happening online. I too was in that place. I too was very scared. I too was very skeptical. I didn't know whether this was the right thing that I was doing, but my why was very very strong, that I needed to do something for my family, my children, and for myself and my husband. So I took action. I asked the right questions. So I did not let my skepticism hold me back, but I just overcame that fear. I took action, and here I am talking about this business. It's a legitimate business, and so what else do you
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to?
We are
Yeah,
real. We are real people. Real
real people.
business going
Yes.
on. I mean,
If it was,
we are
yeah,
talking here on live, right?
yes,
It's not any AI made or something like. There are real
yes,
people who are talking here, answering questions, understanding
yes,
the business, having business chats. If you see in other, other pages, other groups also, like everybody is, discussing about their business strategies. So it's
yes,
like real people, as you do it in a conference room in your
yes,
offices. It's just online you're doing a business chats and understanding a business strategy. So there's nothing like, it's a scam or fraud. Like we are real people, real business. That's what it is going on here. Yeah.
yes. Even on a like, I just want to add this. Even our Facebook pages, that is like our office. Okay, it's been monitored. Yes, it's been constantly reviewed. We have ads which are running that are constantly reviewed. And if it was not the right thing that we were talking or showing on our pages, we are showing our children's face, we are showing our faces, we are making videos and talking about the business. If it was not legitimate, in none of the social media platform would
Would have
let
approved it
us.
also. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. They wouldn't have
would
approved
approve.
us also. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I get
So,
it.
and why would anybody, like, I am a working professional. I am in such a profession wherein I am setting an example for my students. Why will I do something which is not legitimate and which is
Same.
illegal and give a bad name? What example am I setting if it was not the real thing that I
Exactly,
was
exactly,
doing?
exactly. Even I come from an IT professional background over almost 20 decades in a leadership role. Uh,
Yes,
it won't be, good on my part to set an example for the people whom I'm working with them. for my son who is getting into a different world in his teenage, and it's like we have to give the essence of truth and the success what is behind this business. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So I want to ask you one more thing. Like, is there a language barrier or age barrier? Can anyone do this business?
Uh, Age is you need to be 18 plus, and 18, that is the only thing that is required. Anybody, we have got grandmothers who are doing this business who are
Yes.
60 plus,
Mm-hmm.
and they are totally excelling in this business, and they are power leaders in our community, and they are totally rocking this business. There are students who are doing this business, and young moms who are doing this business with their babies around, newborn babies. They are still
Stay at
running this
home.
business. Yeah, they are still successfully running this business. So age is only 18 plus, and you need, whichever country you are there, you need to have whatever that proof.
Yeah,
What is
I
it?
mean, like in India, it is Aadhaar card. Like in USA, it
Yes,
is your
yes,
SSN. I don't know about
yes.
UAE. What is it? Yeah.
We in UAE, you just need to be 18 years plus. You need to have your Emirates ID card. You need to have the proof that you are
So,
in this country,
proof of
and
residency, actually, you can
proof
say.
of
Yeah,
residency. Yes, proof of
exactly.
residency. And language, language is not a barrier. Yes, we are communicating in English, so I can say that I am good in my language, but there are people who are not good in English. They are still doing this business in their own language.
Yes,
Our
yes.
trainings are available in the language that you want to. It is, you have subtitles, and you can watch the training and
Exactly.
learn from the
Yeah, yeah.
training. Yes,
Yes.
some of the community members, they they conduct meetings in their own languages, and
Yeah, yeah.
slowly
I
we
have
are
seen that.
training,
Yes.
upgrading our training system where different languages are slowly coming up. There are a
Coming
lot
up.
of changes happening in our community, and it is for the betterment of each one of the business owners. And we are slowly growing, and there is no barrier. Only barrier will be here up in your mind, and if you remove that barrier, you are good to go to
Mindset
start.
matters. Yeah,
Yes,
exactly. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah,
mindset
I can give
matters.
example of my own mentees. They both are Gujaratis. They just go in Gujarati in their page. Everything,
Mhm.
their post, be
Yes,
it
yes.
their post, be it their lives, they're only in Gujarati. So,
uh,
I mean, one of them is to like, I don't know English, but I know my language. I am just doing
yes, yes,
wonderful with that, and
yes,
she's doing awesome in that. Yeah,
yes, yes. Language is not a barrier. Barriers is all is in your mind.
fine.
If you, yeah, if you remove that, you're good to go.
You're good to go. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Sheetal, I just have one last question. Like, is there any special requirement for this business? I know we spoke about language, age, like, is it a scam or, what, how do we start and everything? If we have that step by step, what is a special requirement in this business?
There is nothing special requirement. I do not have any business background. I am totally from the education field. All my life, I have been a teacher. There is no special skill required, no technical skill required. Everybody now, in this age, everybody knows basic computer skills, how to use the mobile phone, how to use the laptop. Everybody knows. So, basic skill is more than enough. And slowly, as you come in and explore this business, you gradually learn the different skills that is needed to grow in this business. So there is nothing, and the steps that are required to start this business is, first step is that you need to register with your name and email address. That is how exactly this whole community started this business. Yes, we registered with our name and email address, which is free. Registration is free. Watch the complimentary webinar and write down your questions. Ask the questions that you want to ask, and later the second step is paying the $149, which in which you get 30 days to explore the business, and it's you get your $149 back if you feel that you this business is not for you, and you are not, and the and you cannot do the business. You get this $149 refunded
Funded
without being asked any questions.
questions.
You will get to know, once you pay this $149, you get to know deep insight about this business, the compensation plan, the business model, what are the things involved. Everything is kept open to you for you to decide whether you want to go ahead or you don't want to go ahead. Nobody is going to force you. And the third step is that your next step, where you decide to become a digital business owner, and you are in this business as a business owner. So this is exactly how each one of us have started this business, and we are running this business successfully
Successfully, exactly. Yeah.
and growing from this business. Yes.
Yeah. So I think Sheetal, I have covered most of the questions. You have anything special to speak, or tell my followers, who are watching this video or who will be watching it later, any special thing or any something important which they need to know?
Yes. Uh, what I always tell is, one beautiful quote that I always remember is, in order to see the change, you need to take the chance. Until and unless you take the chance, you take that first step, nobody is going to come to push you. You need to take that step forward, then you can decide what you want to do or whether you don't want to go ahead. So it's like a child who is learning to walk. The child has to take that bold step, fall down, get up again, and walk. So the
Or
first step is very, very important. So come in and check for yourself. If you are skeptical, we understand that fear and that nervousness. Yes, many people have been scammed through other online businesses or
businesses.
online things that they have done. But it's, I know it's a lesson for each one to learn from the hurt that you have got. But it's better that you come and check what this online digital business and why it is growing every single day. People are joining in and coming to know the goodness of this business and how people's life have changed from nothing to something. People have helped their family members, people have brought homes, and they have got a better life through this business. So just come and explore what this digital business is all about. Ask the questions that is needed, and we will be glad to answer you, and you are good to go.
Yeah. So I think we are done with the live today. So friends, whoever are watching and want to know more information about this business, feel free to message me or register on my website www.shreemneetadigiLife.com. It's just one button click, and we are there to help you guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Thanks
Thank
Sheetal.
you.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Thank
bye
you.
bye. God bless
Bye.
you all.
Thank you.